When people ask me what Enji is, I often say Enji is marketing software for small business owners who have to do their own marketing but aren't marketing experts. But what does marketing software actually mean? And well, it means a lot of things. And honestly, describing what Enji is harder than you think. Because Enji is a software platform, which means there are lots of features. And each of those features helps to solve a different problem. But since your biggest marketing problem is a little bit different than someone else's biggest marketing problem, well, I think you can see that deciding how to describe what Enji is gets a little complicated. And that's exactly why I wanted to record this video. Because as one of the founders and the person who had the idea for Enji in the first place, I know our software inside and out. So I wanted to break down exactly what Enji is and how it'll help you today. So let's start high level and then work our way down. So Enji is software that helps you plan, do, and review your marketing. And that means that Enji is something that helps you come up with your marketing plan. It helps you do the tasks in your marketing plan, and then it helps you look at the results of the marketing you did. And one of the great things that Enji helps you do is because it helps you do all of this in one place instead of your plan living in Asana or a Google Doc, and then you're using 4 or 5 different pieces of software to do your marketing. And then let's be real, you probably weren't tracking your results. So this is a new piece, but at least it's all happening in one place. And Enji was designed to be an all-in-one platform for a couple of reasons. The first is switching tabs and back and forth really makes things more complicated than they need to be, and also doesn't help you get things done. It actually makes it harder to get things done. So what Enji does is it brings a lot of what you have to do on the marketing side of things into one tab to keep you focused. And the second reason is if you're someone who has always felt that you're marketing in a bunch of different directions, Enji is going to help you understand your marketing machine. Because instead of feeling like you have all of these parts, Enji actually is the machine, and you can finally feel like you understand what is going on with your marketing. I hope that makes sense. Cool. Okay, if it does, let's go one step further and talk about the features that Enji has to help you plan, do, and review your marketing. And when it comes to helping you plan your marketing, Enji has 3 features that are really fantastic at this. First is the marketing strategy generator. Then we have marketing campaigns. And lastly, we have the marketing calendar. Now, the marketing strategy generator is there to help you set a direction for your marketing, because all of the marketing that you're doing should be helping you actually work toward and reach your goals. And that's what a strategy helps you do. I know that word is intimidating to a lot of people, but it's not a complicated thing. So a strategy is simply the thing that helps you set direction and defines the lane that you're going to drive in when it comes to planning out the marketing that you're going to do. And all you have to do to have Enji create a marketing strategy for you is play a game of 20 questions with it. Then there are the marketing campaigns that you can plan in Enji, because there are the regular marketing things that you're going to do regardless of what time of year it is. And then there are the times that you want to do a little more, and you want to do a marketing initiative or a marketing project. So Enji has templates to help you plan marketing campaigns super quick. But maybe the coolest thing about Enji and how it helps you plan your marketing, well, that is the fact that Enji generates recommended tasks for you to do based on your strategy and the campaigns you want to do, and then organizes your plan for you on your marketing calendar. And it's all organized around the day or the days of the week that you want to be your marketing days. And it's spaced out based on how much time you told Enji you have to work on marketing every week. Because in the end, Enji is not just trying to help you have a marketing plan, but it's trying to help you actually do your marketing plan, which is the perfect transition into talking about how Enji helps you do your marketing. And that's with the AI copywriter and the social media scheduler. Because when it comes to marketing your business in the age of the internet, well, that takes a good amount of copy and keeping visible on social media. So let's talk about the AI copywriter first, because it's different than other AI copywriters that maybe you've tried in the past. Mainly because you don't have to become an expert prompt writer with Enji, and you don't have to take a bunch of time to train Enji's AI copywriter. Actually, when you create your account with Enji, Enji will go and read your website and create a brand voice for you, which you can totally edit if you want. And it also creates what we call a business summary. And both of those things help Enji's AI copywriter draft blog posts and social media captions that sound like you and are relevant to the type of business you have. And those things also actually help Enji generate ideas for you. But then there's this whole, okay, I gotta be on social media, but I also gotta get this done as fast as I can thing. And Enji's social media scheduler helps you consistently show up on social media without having to constantly be on it. And you can schedule content to auto post in the future on Instagram. You could do posts, reels, and stories. You can pre-schedule content for Facebook, Pinterest, Threads, LinkedIn, and YouTube Shorts without a limit on how much content you can pre-schedule. And you can use the AI idea generator and AI copywriter to get posts drafted super fast. Which brings us to how Enji helps you review your marketing. And that's by helping you do the thing that you're probably not doing, but definitely helps you answer the question, is my marketing working? And Enji's performance dashboard is where you can track your marketing results. But don't worry, you don't have to be a numbers person. Enji has direct integrations with Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn business pages, YouTube, and Google Analytics so that it can automatically track your numbers and then turn those numbers into graphs and charts that you can easily understand. See, I told you, describing what Enji is harder than you think because it does so much. And I didn't even talk about the brand tools that we have. But when it comes down to it, what you should think of Enji as is a place for you to plan, do, and review your marketing. And if you want to try out all of the features that I just talked about for free, you can start a 14-day trial at enji.co.